we need to check the pin one by one. First, of course, you need to visually check is the pin connected to the plate or not. Second, it's better to use a multimeter to check the connection of the pins. This is a multimeter. And change to the resistance, change the range. Let's say in this range, when it is shorter, it will beep, so you will know it is connected or not. We go back to the pin. You use one pin touch the bottom side, and another pin touch to the top side. So if they are connected, you should be able to see a beeping. Actually, it's better to check on the microscope. On the microscope, you can see very clearly the connection of the pin. On the camera, it's not very clear.